I'm HVAC repair guy with 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, and a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two top-tier variable speed air conditioners to help you figure out which one fits your home best. When you walk up to these units on a job site, the first thing you notice is cabinet construction and protection. The Carrier 26VNA1 uses full louvered steel panels that surround and cover the outdoor coil, protecting it against hail yard debris and lawnmowers. The Mainline MLA19AY takes a different approach by omitting louvered coil protection and using an open wire grille enclosure, leaving the coil fins more exposed to potential physical damage. In terms of performance, the Carrier 26VNA1 pulls ahead with an efficiency rating of up to 21 SEER. The Mainline MLA19AY delivers 19 SEER. Both systems sit in the ultimate category, delivering precise modulation to keep humidity low and indoor temperatures steady without big swings. Looking under the hood at compressor and fan technology, both units feature variable speed compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors. They both include factory compressor sound blankets, keeping operating noise virtually identical in your yard, with the Mainline at 54 decibels and the Carrier at 55 decibels. Carrier builds the 26VNA1 in the USA, and Mainline is manufactured in the USA as a private label brand produced under Rheem Manufacturing. For real-world installed pricing, the Mainline MLA19AY generally ranges from $6,500 to $10,500 for a complete professional installation. The Carrier 26VNA1 typically runs between $7,500 and $15,000 depending on tonnage, local labor rates, and job site complexity. Both units offer a 10-year standard parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty upon timely registration. Carrier provides an extra level of protection with a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails, while Mainline provides 0 years of unit replacement coverage on this model. If I am standing in your yard making the final recommendation, my vote goes to the Carrier 26VNA1. While the Mainline saves money up front, Carrier provides higher 21 SEER efficiency, sturdy louvered coil protection, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty that backs up your investment if the main compressor ever fails.